How are you today? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm great. The weather is so nice. Yes, perfect for a morning walk. I love walking in the park. Me too. Fresh air is refreshing. Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept early. It makes a big difference. I agree. Sleep keeps us healthy and active. Drinking water also energizes the body. True. I drink at least 8 glasses a day. Exercise is important too. Yes, I do yoga. It keeps me fit. I like jogging to clear my mind. Nature is so peaceful, don't you think? Absolutely. Trees and birds are relaxing. I love the birds' morning songs. Me too. Natural sounds are calming. Music helps me relax after a long day. Soft songs create a peaceful mood. Everyone likes different types of music. Yes, music connects people everywhere. Dancing is fun and builds confidence. Children enjoy outdoor games too. Outdoor activities teach teamwork. Sports develop discipline and strength. Football is popular worldwide. Sports bring people together. Watching movies is fun and educational. Funny movies reduce stress. Time management is very important. Organized people work effectively. Students should not waste time. Planning helps us focus and succeed. Kind words make people happy. Respect builds strong relationships. Honest people earn trust easily. Helping others feels wonderful. Books teach new things every day. Stories inspire and improve us. Learning English can be fun. Watching movies and listening to songs helps. Writing notes improves grammar. Practice makes perfect. Speaking slowly reduces nervousness. Positive thinking helps with challenges. Exercise and meditation improve health. Smiling changes moods instantly. Traveling and nature trips are exciting. Creative hobbies keep the mind active. Healthy eating is important. Laughter and jokes make life joyful. Learning new words improves expression. Listening and asking questions increases understanding. Reading and watching educational content helps. Grammar may be tricky, but practice helps. Using new words in sentences is helpful. Speaking with friends makes learning fun. Watching English movies improves listening skills. Songs can also teach pronunciation. Reading short stories is very useful. It helps understand sentence structure. Daily writing improves vocabulary. Even small notes can be beneficial. Speaking regularly boosts confidence and helps reduce nervousness. Positive thinking changes the learning experience. Patience is key to mastering English. Learning in small steps is effective. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Celebrating progress keeps motivation high. Mistakes are part of learning. They teach us how to improve. Asking questions is always helpful. Teachers and friends can guide us. Reviewing what we learn is important. Even repeating words helps memory. Pronunciation practice builds fluency. Using gestures can make communication clearer. Confidence grows with regular practice. English learning should be fun, not stressful. Games and quizzes make it enjoyable. Learning with friends is even better. Teaching others reinforces knowledge. Traveling teaches new vocabulary. Meeting people improves conversation skills. Reading signs and menus is useful. Asking for directions is good practice. Cultural experiences make learning memorable. Writing a travel diary improves skills. Listening to podcasts increases comprehension. Storytelling develops speaking skills. Describing objects improves vocabulary. Thinking in English helps fluency. Talking to oneself is useful practice. Recording your voice shows progress. Listening again helps correct mistakes. Summarizing stories improves understanding. Retelling experiences strengthens memory. Using synonyms makes language richer. Antonyms help express contrast clearly. Listening carefully improves understanding. Following instructions builds comprehension. Watching English news teaches formal expressions. Debates and discussions improve argument skills. Expressing opinions confidently is important. Agreeing and disagreeing politely is useful. Practicing daily is better than occasional study. Consistency is more effective than long sessions. Reading aloud improves pronunciation. Shadowing native speakers enhances fluency. Writing letters or emails develops grammar. Story summaries teach conciseness. Note-taking during reading is helpful. Highlighting new words helps recall. Using a dictionary correctly improves understanding. Speaking slowly ensures clarity. Avoid overthinking. Fluency grows gradually. Confidence is more important than perfection. Making learning fun keeps motivation high. Visual aids like pictures help remember words. Mind maps organize ideas clearly. Even online resources are valuable. Interactive apps make learning enjoyable. Games and challenges encourage practice. Positive habits improve learning. Waking up early allows focused practice. Short morning exercises help concentration. Meditation improves memory and focus. Healthy eating nourishes the brain. Water intake keeps us energized. Physical exercise helps mental clarity. Listening to soft music relaxes the mind. Nature walks boost creativity. Journaling thoughts improves writing. Learning from mistakes is natural. Self-reflection strengthens understanding. Setting small goals is effective. Rewarding progress motivates learners. Peer discussions encourage idea sharing. Asking for feedback helps improve. Recording short speeches is useful. Listening and repeating improves intonation. Daily practice builds long-term skills. English learning connects people worldwide. Speaking English helps meet new friends. Sharing ideas increases confidence. Collaborating in group projects strengthens skills. Helping others learn improves understanding. Teaching reinforces your own knowledge. Learning about cultures increases awareness. Traveling expands vocabulary and usage. Storytelling develops creative expression. Describing pictures or videos improves fluency. Presentations build public speaking skills. Interactive exercises make learning fun. Using apps for vocabulary is effective. Quizzes help retain information. Role-playing enhances conversational skills. Practicing in front of a mirror is helpful. Listening to audiobooks builds comprehension. Writing summaries strengthens memory. Combining reading, listening, speaking, and writing is ideal. Daily practice ensures steady progress. Encouragement from friends keeps motivation high. Positive thinking helps overcome challenges. Patience is essential for mastering English. Celebrating small victories keeps learning enjoyable. Mistakes are natural and help improve. Consistency is better than intensity. Setting realistic goals maintains focus. Using technology aids learning. Watching educational videos improves understanding. Participating in discussions boosts confidence. Reading aloud teaches pronunciation. Writing creatively enhances grammar. Listening to songs improves listening skills. Practicing speaking daily ensures fluency. Visual learning with images and videos helps retention. Collaborating with peers makes learning interactive. Positive habits improve English learning. Waking up early allows focused practice. Short morning exercises help concentration. Meditation improves memory and focus. Healthy eating nourishes the brain. Water intake keeps us energized. Physical exercise helps mental clarity. Listening to soft music relaxes the mind. Nature walks boost creativity. Journaling thoughts improves writing. Learning from mistakes is natural. Self-reflection strengthens understanding. Setting small goals is effective. Rewarding progress motivates learners. Peer discussions encourage idea sharing. Asking for feedback helps improve. Recording short speeches is useful. Listening and repeating improves intonation. Daily practice builds long-term skills. English learning connects people worldwide. Speaking English helps meet new friends. Sharing ideas increases confidence. Collaborating in group projects strengthens skills. Helping others learn improves understanding. Teaching reinforces your own knowledge. Learning about cultures increases awareness. Traveling expands vocabulary and usage. Storytelling develops creative expression. Describing pictures or videos improves fluency. Presentations build public speaking skills. Interactive exercise.